So we've worked with, just on the ASHRAE guidance, probably around 70 or so different schools districts around the country, all ranging from one-offs to 200 schools. And so part of the guidance, it's seeing it sometimes go out of order. One district is just putting in sensors. One district, okay, well, what are you going to do with all the sensor readings? You're collecting billions of points of data a day, and then who is going to now aggregate that data and convert it into an action? So that's kind of where we are with them. Other districts are, what is my baseline? I just don't even know what I have and what tools I have. So my day job as a mechanical engineer is everything. I mean, that's the whole reason I'm able to understand what some of these systems are. And if you've got an RTU with 18% capacity of ventilation, then we know what that translates. If we don't know the distribution, then we bring in companies like Safe Traces to start to figure out what that distribution path is, and then you have a scope of work to improve it. And that's where it is very important for the engineers at some point to give the building owners the game plan, the solution. All of this right now is still in a testing phase, giving the owner overloads of information. They just need to get it solved. And so that's what our day job, that's what plenty of ASHRAE engineers, that's what we have been doing for years, and we will continue to do.